Are you looking for the best 3D printers for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 2 Pro 3D Printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Achieve remote networking, firmware upgrade, and real-time viewing of the printer status. LT will also support online slicing and printing, video monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control and management. This will bring the smart experience to your fingertips. For more detailed guidance, please find the product guides and documents on the listing page, and then click on User Guide, PDF. By utilizing an optimized direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By detecting the resonance frequency of the X, Y axis with an internally built accelerometer G sensor, smart adjustments are made to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. Number 2. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 Plus has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements. 300 by 300 by 340 printing size makes SV06 Plus unique among i3 structure 3D printers. Modular design allows you to assemble SV06 Plus within 5 steps easily, more applicable for household use. All metal hot end with larger melt zone enables you to print faster. High flow up to 20 cubic millimeters/s to achieve 150 millimeters per second printing speed that greatly reduces the probability of clogging. Working with SV06 Plus clipper screen does not come with the printer, need to purchase additionally. SV06 Plus can reach a fast and upgraded printing speed of 250 mm per second. All metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Sovol self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set provide SV06 Plus with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. Day and night modes can be switched casually. The unique Sovol UI and sensitive response bring you better experience than knob display. With inductive sensor, SV06 Plus detects the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed leveled perfectly and get an fantastic first layer. Note: set the height of initial layer to 0.3 mm when you slice. That would help you to print a better initial layer and make the filament stick to the plate better. Number 3. CREALITY Printer Ender 3 3D Printer. CREALITY Ender 3 3D Printer equipped with super quiet printing designing, with smooth adjustable pulley, and if a power is accidentally cut off during printing, accurate printing can be continued after power is switched on. With the power supply protection device and resume printing function, no need to worry about the accidental outage. avoiding the waste of filaments. CREALITY Ender 3 for beginners enables DIY enthusiasts to assemble the machine themes within 2 hours and have fun, and compact size is quite convenient to carry away. CREALITY Ender 3 3D printer for home use adopts an innovative V-profile and pulley for stable running, featuring low noise, wear resistance and a longer service life. CNC machining of the wire rail mounting groove to make sure precise positioning and keep the solid frame with the high precision printing quality. And big hand twist nut makes the print platform easy to level. By eliminating the high retail markup, Sane Smart is able to offer a sensible package with unrivaled quality in the entry-level space. The compact design allows Ender 3 to fit in the trunk of your car or even back seat, while still providing 6x more build volume than other entry-level printers. The Ender 3 FDM 3D printer uses the MK8 extrusion mechanism, a brand new patented infrastructure that effectively reduces the risk of plugging and poor spillage and can print most of 3D printer filament on the market, such as 1.75 PLA/ABS/TPU. CREALITY Ender 3 3D printer can reach 110 C for hotbed in about 5 minutes, which meets the needs of fast heating. Besides, CREALITY Ender 3 is an open-sourced 3D printer for every community of users and contributors. The lower base and all wiring completed in our factory. This kit-style 3D printer comes with all tools included and is an excellent project for middle school and high school-aged students. The perfect gift to spark a lifelong love for science and engineering, and provide a deeper understanding of machinery and robotics. Updated USB port makes it more convenient. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus 3D Printer is designed for efficiency, boasting a max speed of 500 mm per second and 10,000 mm/s² acceleration. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second, which is 10 times faster than a regular FDM 3D printer. Perfect for professionals and beginners. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus boasts an impressive printing size of 320 x 300 and 2400 mm/12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 inch. Can print models of approximately 41 liters in volume at one time. Full-sized printing of the same model, compared to similar products on the market with a printing speed of 50 mm per second, printing time is shortened by 31 hours 35 minutes. Efficient creation, energy saving, and environmental friendly. With the new version of Anycubic APP remote networking firmware upgrading, and real-time viewing of printer status are achievable. Future updates will also support online slice ink and printing, video monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control and management, and an open model library function module. Kickstarting a smart. For more detailed guidance, please find the product guides and documents on the listing page, and then click on User Guide, PDF. By designing a unique module, after automatic leveling, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and few visible layer lines. The one-click vibration compensation detects the resonance frequency of the X, Y axis and adjusts the motion control intelligently to effectively eliminate resonance vertical lines and bracket lines, ensuring printing accuracy and stability. With flow control, intelligent compensation for attraction and refilling ensures evenly and fully printed layers, enhancing print quality and detail representation. Number 5. COMGORW T500 3D Printer. COMGORW T500 3D Printer supports 200 mm per second max speed 8000 mm/s² acceleration, The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. It features an inductive transducer for 49-point auto leveling function. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. There is no need to participate manually throughout the process, making leveling much easier. Easy start to print. 95% pre-assembly helps customers to get the complete printer soon once received the printer. The COMGORW T500 3D printer is a friendly printer for all of customers during assembly. It decreased lots of assembly trouble for customers, even beginners. You can save more time in assembly process, just only 15 minutes. You can start enjoy the fun of 3D printing. Larger build volume. COMGORW T500 3D printer can print 19.68 times 19.68 19.68 inches large size models, enabling you to bring grand scale projects to life with exceptional finesse. Also, you can reach the batch production on the large printing area in one time, saving your time to wait for the models. 300C hot end and direct extruder. All metal hot end equips hardened nozzle, which enhances wear resistance, enabling printing of mixed carbon fiber or more abrasive and exotic filaments. The hot end can be heated to 300C, which enables the printer can be compatible with more kinds of filaments, including TPU, PETCF, PLA, PETC, carbon fiber and wood. Direct drive extruder provide consistent extrusion and precise retraction. 6.5 to 1 gear ratio, 50 newtons pulling strength ensures smooth extrusion. Also, there are 3 cooling fans for faster heat dissipation. 7' clipper touch screen and more upgraded design. Built-in clipper saves you from redundant configuration and additional hardware requirements. The hot end equipped with LED lights for monitoring prints even in low light conditions. The COMGORW T500 can be controlled by Wi-Fi transmission for seamless operation remotely. Dual X and Y axis design enables the printing process to be more stable and precise.